Hello friends, in this video I will show how to get resume template on Microsoft Word. So click on File. Now here click on New. So here guys you will see suggested searches and here click on Resume and Cover Letters. So guys here you will see a list of resume. You can select which you like and you can customize and modify as your requirement and as your choice. Like if you want to create this type, so select it, then click on create. Here guys you will see suggestions like your name, address, phone, email, your picture, objective, experience, education, communication, leadership, and reference. Similarly you will find another one like this type. Select and create. So make changes, then click on file and save as. Also you can print. Also you can export and share as a PDF or as a Word document. So thanks for watching and comment this video useful for you.